Good morning, children. Standard 7th Civics Unit 1 Women Empowerment. Today, discuss the topic Role of Women in the Economic Development. Importance of women's economic empowerment in society is inevitable. Empowerment is one of the main procedural concerns when addressing human rights and development. Women's empowerment and achieving gender equality is essential for our society to ensure the sustainable development of the country. Benefits of economic empowerment of women. The women economic empowerment is the central to realizing women's rights and gender equality. Empowering women in the economy and the bridging gender gaps in the world of work are key to achieving the agenda for sustainable development. When more women work, economics grow. Increasing women's and girls' education attainment contributes to women's economic empowerment and more inclusive economic growth. It is estimated that companies with the 3 or more women in senior management function they score higher in all dimensions of the organizational performance. Next, discuss the topic the need for economic empowerment of women. Gender, the differences in laws affect both developing and developed economics and women in all regions. Women remain less likely to participate in the labor market than men around the world. Women are more likely to be unemployed than men. Women are represented in informal and valuable employment. Globally, women are paid less than men. Women bear disproportionate responsibility. The disproportionate responsibility for unpaid care and domestic work. Unpaid care work is essential to the functioning of the economy but often goes uncounted and unrecognized. Women are less likely to be entrepreneurs and face more disadvantages starting business. The women are less likely than men to have access to financial institution or have a bank account. Women are still less likely to have the access to the social protection. Violence and harassment in the world of work affects women regardless of age, location, income or social status. Indian society is known for its unity in diversity. Social inequality also prevails in this society, which has given birth of worker section of society which is diverse as Indian society itself. The women scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, the children, poor, landless farmers are considered as weaker sections. They have faced a socio-economic and political discrimination in hands of dominating section since ancient time, and their fight for rights and access to justice is almost as old as a discrimination against the marginalized and the weaker group. The summary, the women empowerment and issues the related nowadays gain its importance worldwide. Personal rights, social equality, political power, and economic opportunity are the important aspect of women empowerment. World, the governments, both developed and developing countries, are sincerely working towards achieving the global of women empowerment. Almost the women population share 50% of the total population of the world. We can't imagine world peace and prosperity without empowering each and every woman on this planet. It is everyone's responsibility to make each woman into independent and the empowerment women. Let us recall this point. Women social aspect of gender. The essential factors for empowerment or education, gender, discrimination based on caste, creed, religion, etc. Women's education, the unmentioned importance of the female education is a good example. Savitri Babale. Factors responsible for poor female literacy rate, the role of women in economic development, benefits of economic empowerment of women, the need for economic development of women. Thank you.